For those of you that hasn't watched and seen him in some of the videos, I have a long-haired weenie dog. And my girlfriend got here and she's demanding that we have something to clean up the hair a little bit more than what I've been doing with just the vacuum. So we got this off of Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description. But it looks like it has what it is, information, and even how it works. Will you open it?
A hair remover.
I just open it over here.
What is this for?
I'm going to keep it down in here somewhere. You don't know what this one's for? We'll see if these things work. But it looks like this, you just roll over the furniture or whatever you're using, and the hair should grab there.
Yeah.
They feel kind of stiff though, so we'll see if that works.
Try it in bed.
And then we got this little glove groomer to grab the hair. I've seen these before.
Yeah.
Oh, it's only one side. I'm left-handed, so
this
thing
too.
I'm gonna have to.
There's another one.
Oh, is there? It came with two. Oh, okay. It looks like they gave. So if you had a huge dog, you could really get in there and rub them, get the hair off of them.
Really come here.
I don't think Weenie's gonna be impressed with it though. I'm sure the big dogs will like it. There's a left-handed glove. I actually thought there was only one. And this is the main thing that we purchased this for. You see, it's the pet hair remover.
Mm-hmm.
And then I don't know if that's focusing in enough for you guys to see it.
Okay. And then
I don't know. It says you can open this up and get the hair that comes out of there. But is this supposed to keep on spinning or what? Doesn't feel like it does.
It says that you have to roll it back and forth. Yeah, like that. Okay, let's check if it works.
Well, I just did right here. So. That doesn't tell me if it's going to work on...
If it grabs on the hair in bed.
I don't know. We're going to test them out a little bit, and then we'll try to get a little video of it doing it in action. All right, let's see it. He's still cleaning some. This bed wasn't too dirty. She just cleaned this, what, 2 days ago? Washed it.
Yeah.
But she's complaining about the hair, and I told her she definitely wasn't going to be cleaning this stuff every few days, like in the washer and stuff. So all right, move it over here and let's check it out, the inside of it. I was already looking at it. It looked like it's catching lint pretty good. Pop this thing open. Yeah, it's catching the hair and the lint pretty good.
There's a Weenie, baby.
Weenie's not too impressed. Alright, he's pretty impressed.
Yeah.
Look, Weenie. Look in there.
My hair, bud.
That's your hair. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, see, I don't have this cleaning OCD like she does. But she's still going to town on these blankets, and I think it's working pretty good. Like I had mentioned, she just cleaned these like 2 days ago, and since it's hot right now, we're in mid-July, Weenie actually sleeps on the floor more because it's cooler down there. You can see him over here laying on the floor now. So he usually sleeps there or over here. So he hasn't actually been on the bed too much, and I think it's pulling out a lot of hair. I'm going to open that up and let them see. Look at all that, it's already pulled off. So, very impressed with this little thing. And this is the main thing that we were purchasing it for. I think the other little wand thingy is more for like car seats or hard to get into area. And she had already cleaned my truck, otherwise I'd show you the passenger seat where Weenie already sets and there's lots of hair there. But she already cleaned all that out, cleaned the cars out when she got here. So, and we got the gloves. So, I think this is a nice set, and definitely impressed with this little cleaner right here. Alright, she's gonna try that glove out.
Put it on the sofa because he's trying to get one. That's it.
She's always cleaning Weenie, so he probably doesn't even have much hair on him now. Poor guy.
Yeah, not really. There are very few.
But
Wow, bad. Oh.
I think they're gonna work good. It's just I think his hair just kind of falls off already, and he's not shedding too bad.
Yeah, it's not.
I mean, he sheds, but it's not like I've seen other dogs where the hair just kind of clumps off of them.
Yeah.
His hair doesn't shed like that. It just kind of slowly falls off whenever it wants.
Yeah.
But some of you guys know with those bigger dogs, I mean, it doesn't matter if you've already cleaned them or not. You'll brush your hand through like this with this glove on it. It would be just grabbing tons of hair still.
He likes it, look. I like that bud, huh? Okay. Good boy, Bobby.
Still did a decent job for, like I said, he's not too bad shedding with the hair staying on him.
Yeah.
It usually all falls off.
Look at your hair. Do you see your hair? Yeah.